waking up in cities made of glass and steel. Flying cars and robots seem so unreal. Holograms projecting scenes from the past, trying to find love that can last. Neon lights are guiding us through the night. In this digital world we're looking for light, but the algorithms can't know how we feel. In the sea of data we're losing what's real. In 2025 we'll touch the sky, living in this world where we barely try. Connecting through screens yet feeling so far, searching for a love in this high-tech spar. Virtual concerts in our living rooms, digital fashion breaking all the rules. But deep inside we crave something more, a voice that's real, a touch we adore. Behind the pixels